G'day legends. Bitcoin and crypto are looking very bullish at the moment since the last downturn where we went down to 52, 53 region in Bitcoin. We've had something on the charts. I didn't chart this myself, I'm not good enough yet, but called a golden cross. A golden cross is where the 50-day moving average of, for this one it's in Bitcoin. I'll just wait till this car goes fast. The 50-day moving average of Bitcoin has gone more bullish and crossed over the 200-day moving average. So basically that's the line that you follow on the charts for the price each day. So the 50 has gone above the 200, it's causing a golden cross. It's typically a very bullish indicator that indicates that we should be going into a large bullish trend, which is great. It's probably what we've all been waiting for, but I wouldn't get overexcited yet, remembering that the thing that we've been waiting for this month mainly is the interest rate cuts in America. Remembering that America has a lot more influence on the financial market than any other country, basically. So we're waiting for that. It's in about 6 or 7 days. I always get confused because being in America, they're like 15 hours behind where I am. So, but it's roughly a week, 6 to 7 days. Why does that matter so much? All right, so the market likes certainty, and what that will cause is, it depends on what the market wants. So if the market wants 25 basis points and we get 50, so the Fed drops it by 50, that might scare them and say, oh, they've dropped it by 50. They said they were, they've indicated sort of more towards 25 by the sounds of it. If they drop it by 50, it'll scare the market, saying, oh, the economy's worse than we thought. If the market, so everyone, when I say market, I am talking about the millions of investors as a collective. The majority of them, what do the majority want? If the majority wants 50 and we only get 25, then they'll say, oh, we'd priced in a 50 rate drop. That's not enough, and they'll be upset about it. And like, God forbid we get a 75 drop, because that would be the worst out of everything. That really would scare the market. I can't see that happening. I think it will be one of the other two. It'll be a 25 basis points or a 50 basis points, which is 1/4% or 0.5%. If we get a 75, that would be catastrophic, because it would send a message to the investing markets that the economy is no good, that it needs a lot of fixing, and that will scare the market. So it's very hard to know what the market's going to do from my perspective, because if they want 25 and they get 50, that'll upset them. If they want 50 and they get 25, if it's 50-50 and half the people want 25 and half want 50, it could do very little, because half of them will sell and half will go up. I'm leaning towards, I think they'll only be a 25 myself, just from what I think. I think that the Fed would probably want to send a message that everything's okay, don't panic. That'll just upset the people who have priced in for their stock trading that they were hoping for a 50. How have I gone since my last video? I put out a couple of videos, I don't know, like 3 days ago or something, saying that I had a big buy, which I'd been waiting for. I'd been waiting for a drop, and I wasn't convinced I'd even picked the right time, because it could have gone further down. And as of right now, it's looking good. Most cryptos are on an average, the outside of say Bitcoin hits up 3% for the week, but most cryptos are up 10 to 25% in the week. So since that pullback, so my portfolio will be, I haven't actually checked the exact amount, but it'll be up probably an average of 15%. So it does seem to have been a good time to buy. Does that mean in the future things can't go wrong? No, it does not mean that. There could easily be black swan events, especially around the election, I imagine. There are conspiracy theorists out there saying that on the dark web people want to, sort of disrupt the election, let's put it that way. So if something like that happens, that would be really, really bad. As I said, markets like certainty. That's the stock market. The stock market affects the crypto market. The more big investors we get into the crypto market, the more, basically, if a big entity is going to sell their stocks, they're going to sell their crypto as well, I would imagine. That's the way I look at it. If they're going to go and sell, 500,000 shares of Nvidia or Apple or Google or whatever, they're going to dump the same. Yeah, they're going to dump their Bitcoin as well. This is why I think it sort of correlates. I hope that's explained what's going on at the moment a bit for you. So at the moment we're just in a waiting pattern, waiting to see what happens next. Really, that's a lot of what your trading is. A lot of it's sitting on your hands and waiting to pick, hopefully, the right moments. Yep, that's about it from me for now. My chart reading's going okay. I've been doing my course. I did draw my first, I believe it's called a bull flag, as in that's what I think I've drawn. I haven't double checked that I'm correct, but I was very excited and surprised when I drew lines and things bounced to where I thought they were going to. That was very exciting for me. So yeah, just thought I'd put a video out to say, keep sitting on your hands. If you think that's what you need to do, keep buying or DCAing if that's what you think you need to do, and never panic sell. Make a calculated sell, a calculated buy, but never panic do anything, because they're generally the ones you'll regret. All right, have a great day. Do something nice for someone else. Be blessed. Crypto Bogan out.